Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do some string art using either acrylic paints, you can use tempera paints, or watercolor paints. And I'm going to use watercolor and some watered down acrylic. You can take and put just your regular craft acrylic paint in a container, and I just added a couple drops of water so that way it's a little bit more fluid. So I will show you how we do this. You will need some paper, and it's fun to experiment with different thicknesses of string. So I have some that's a little bit thicker, like this, some that's thinner. Really, you could use yarn, any kind of string. And like I said, try using different kinds to experiment with different ones. So first I'll show you how this acrylic works. Take and dip your string into the paint, and then I'm just going to gently run my fingers down to just get the excess blobs of paint off. And I'm just going to randomly lay the string down and make sure that you leave a tail at the end here. Make sure you can see the bottom of that. And I'm going to close up my paper. If you are doing this with younger kids, you could get a book or a notebook so they have even pressure on this, but just gently press on it and pull your string back. Open it up. And I'm going to take another color. Here again, you can explore using different colors. I don't know if I would use more than 3-4 colors, for the fact that you might start getting that brown mixed in with colors. Randomly lay it down, leaving the tail. Your fingers get very messy with this one, so have paper towels or wet wipes close by. It's always fun opening it up and seeing what new surprise you're going to find. I'm going to go ahead and use some yellow. And I'm going to look for some empty spots here to try and lay this down on. And now if I really wanted, I could take like a thicker, I might try a thicker one here with yellow. Get a little bit more yellow in there. Just make sure your whole string gets covered in paint. Whoops. Close it and there's our picture that we get, and that's with the acrylic paint. Now I will show you just how a little bit different the watercolor paint looks. Same thing, use a piece of paper folded in half, or you can use 2 pieces of paper that are the same size. To get a yellow. Sometimes I start with my lighter colors first, for the fact that yellow is light and can easily get covered up with other colors. So I'm going to put it down and see what happens, and I can always add more yellow. So we got with the yellow. Next I'm going to try the blue here, like a turquoise blue. And remember, if you don't have liquid watercolors, you can use food coloring mixed with water to make your own liquid watercolors, or take dried up markers and let them soak tips down in water. So with the liquid watercolor, you see a little bit more of a puddle formation in some of those where there was excess paint. And we'll try some magenta. Ooh, that looks cool when it mixes colors. Colors overlap and you get some new colors in there. So there you have it. Something you can do with things that you might have at home if you have craft paints, or like I said, food coloring and water, make liquid watercolors and string. Have fun.